ready to cut out our pajamas. You guys have drawn out your pattern. Now we're getting ready to lay it out on the material. Remember when we talked about grain line? Grain line is very important because if you were to put this pattern piece on here, what you perceive as straight, the design in the pajamas may not be correct. It may be off kilter. So in order to do the grain line correctly, the first thing you want to do is take one pin and pin one side of the grain line like this.
Oof.
Then you want to measure with your measuring tape from the grain line to the folded edge or to the salvage edge, whichever is closer. So I'm going to measure here, and it says roughly 7 1/4. So then you want to go down here and you want to match up this. You want to move this into the grain line until it is even with where the other one is. And then you're going to put a pin in there like that. Now you know that your grain line is set. Once your grain line is set and you've had Mrs. Dickerson check it, then you can go around and put pins in all the places that you believe a pin should be, which in my opinion means you want them on the corners. You definitely want them up here in what is actually called the crotch area, so that you cut this curved area correctly. Now please notice that I'm putting the pins in such a fashion that I can see the pins on the pattern piece so that I do not cut around them. And then after you have had all the pins placed, and usually Mrs. Dickerson places her pins perpendicular to the edge of what I'm cutting. It's just something that I was taught to do. But that's what we're going to do. And then the next step will be to cut the pieces out. Okay, stop that.